Hello everyone. In the previous video, we have learned what is WordPad, introduction of WordPad, and in file menu, new, open, save, save as. Today we are going to learn print. Before going to print, add some text. Okay, I have typed here some dummy text. Why mean? I will explain you. Go to print. Before going to print, go to print preview. Now we can see we have only one page, but these options are not activated. You can check it. See, previous and next page is not activated. If you want to make active, you have to make more pages. How to make more pages? See, I am going to select this content by mouse and I am going to click copy and click on paste. Paste it on multiple times. You can observe when you are pasting, your scroll is decrease the size. See, now we can scroll up. We have like pasted this much of content. Again, if you want more, you can increase some pastes. Okay, just scroll up. Now we can go print preview, so we can get, see, next page. We can observe here page number 2, page number 3, page number 4. If you want zoom, you can zoom it. Page number 5, page number 6, page number 7, page number 8, page number 9, and previous. You can 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. If you want to see 2 pages, you can apply 2 pages. If you want to 1 page, you can apply 1 page. And if you want 100%, you can keep 100% like this. And later I will explain you page setup later. Now you can click on close print preview. Now we can go print. When you click on print, you will get on dialog box here. Here you have to choose the printer which you have installed in your system. And here the page ranges is there. Here pages are there. No, you can give. So we have 9 pages, we can give 1 to 5. Okay, out of 9 I need 1 to 5. I can get like this. Otherwise I want all pages, you can click all pages. At the time you no need to give here, give it all pages. Okay, but I want first one, third one, fifth one and ninth one. You can give it like this individually. And number of copies, how many copies you require, and you can increase it here and click on print, it will come. But it is only for sample purpose, but about print I will teach in upcoming applications, because in WordPad 99% of people they will not give printout. Okay, so you can cancel it. I hope you are understood. Yes, we have learned print and quick print. No need, don't give it, don't use it there after applying here. Okay, so if it is everything okay, we can get quick print, but it is dangerous because before going to print, so my suggestion is you have to go print preview first. Print preview means we can see that before going to print how it will come. Okay, now we have understood this 100%, 1 page, 2 page, previous page, next page, and close print and print preview. And now if you want 100%, you can click 100%. And what is a page setup mean? Click on page setup. One is you can do here from here. Otherwise, go to file, click on page setup. You can apply here also. Okay, I am going to apply here only. Now we can see what are the changes will happen. Size, always you have to give A4 because this is a standard size. And also you can choose if you want in the A5, you can apply A5. If you want 8 point size 1 point like 13, you can give that like custom size also you can apply it. But what is A4, what is A5, what is A6, in one of the upcoming video I am going to explain you as a practically. So I am going to choose here A4 because that is a standard, and the source is keep it like that only, and this is the orientation. If I click landscape and OK, you can apply. See, it will come as a horizontally. Again go to page setup, and if you want a portrait, you can click on portrait, so portrait will come. Again page setup, and here margin, you can observe this is outside space is there na? This is called actually margin. So I'm going to give one page. You can observe all side 1 inches is there. This is the standard, but now I will give 2 inches. Otherwise left I will give 2, top I will give 4 inches. Now you can observe from top 4 inches has come and from left 2 inches has come. Again I want to make a normal, otherwise I want like 0.5, 0.5, 0.5, 0.5, 0.5 and click OK. Now see, all side will come 0.5, 0.5. Again go to page setup. Okay, I want 1 inches for each side. I will give 1 inches. By pressing tab, you can move from one box to another box and click OK. Now it's going to arrange 1 inches all side. Now the page number is coming. No, go to page setup. If you don't want that, you can disable that print page numbers here and click OK. Now we can observe there is no page number. Again, if you want to get back, go to page setup, apply here and OK. Now it's coming. I hope you are getting print preview, and you can click on print here also. If you don't want this, click on close print preview. Now we have understood print and page setup. And send email, no need. About WordPad we can see that which version we are using, but no use of that. Just click on OK. And last option is exit. You can exit the MS Word. When I am going to click on exit, I didn't save the present content what I changed, so you can click on save. It's going to close. I hope you are understood today a file menu. In the upcoming video we are going to learn home and view. Thank you.